guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than what I usually do. It's going to be like a chit chat, get ready with me video. I have to leave for work really soon, so I just wanted to get ready before work and just take advantage of the time and film and just catch you guys up. I feel like I've been really absent and I'm explaining to you guys why. It does get a little bit emotional, but I just want to be as real and honest with you guys. So yeah, and this is the look that I created, obviously, and then I do the hair at the very end. I don't explain very thoroughly what I'm doing, but I'm just showing you guys how I got this. It's very simple, heatless, super easy. But anyways, if you guys are interested in just like sitting down and listening to just everything that's been going on, then let's just go ahead and get started in today's video. Before I start rambling and talking, I just want to let you guys know that all the products that I am using will be listed in the description bar down below if you guys want to check out what products I'm using. But while I'm talking, I'm not going to be able to just like explain step by step what I'm doing, so I'm just letting you guys know that before I start. I'm basically just getting ready for work today. I woke up at 5:50 this morning, super early, but Christian had to be up for work, and so I just decided, you know what, let me wake up too. I'll go to the gym, get a bunch of stuff done. It's like 10:15 right now, and I have to leave for work in an hour, so that's why I'm just doing like a quick chit chat, get ready with me, so I can just talk to you guys about what's been going on. Oh my god, there's so much dry shampoo in my hair. I went to the gym around 7:30. I also took Christian some hair gel to work because he said that he looked like an animal from the rainforest. Don't even know what that means, but whatever. And then, what else did I do? Oh, I went to, foundation in my hair. This foundation's too dark, but I'm still using it because it's expensive. I also went to the salon store because me and my salon owner get these like huge gallons of shampoo and conditioner because we run through shampoo and conditioner so much with our clients. And I always pick up the shampoo in a gallon, and I'm meaning to pick up the conditioner in a gallon, but they look the same. Does anybody else do that? They go buy shampoo and they accidentally pick up the conditioner, and you know you're in there for conditioner, but you don't even look at like what it is. Don't know why I do that, but it's been like 3 times that I had to go and like return it and like exchange it for the conditioner. So that's what I had to do today. And I'm only working 12 to 6, which is not bad. Not bad at all. I'm looking forward to it though, because honestly on Wednesday I worked 12 hours straight, like back to back with clients. And so I did not get a single break, which I normally never do, but I only work like 8 hours straight without a break. And I just like eat snacks in between my clients, but oh my god, I was so busy on Wednesday, like slammed from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. So I'm okay with having a short day today. I'm only in the salon 3 days a week, so I think I'm just gonna start working 12 hours a day in the salon, and then, well, 10 to 12 hours. My goals with hair is eventually to stop doing hair like, I do it part-time now, but just to stop doing it like 30 hours a week. I'd like to do it more like just a couple clients here and there, not anything crazy, and then just do YouTube full-time. But right now, obviously YouTube doesn't pay me well, so I have to keep doing clients. But the reason I want to stop isn't because I don't like it. I love what I do and I love doing hair. And I personally think that like it's my calling, but my body hurts so bad. And it's not just like, oh, I'm tired, like my feet hurt. No, it's like I have plantar fasciitis. I don't know if any of you guys know what that is, but it's basically like really bad pain on my bottom of my feet and my heel. And it's just like every time I take a step in the morning, it hurts. Every time that I'm at the gym, I'm in pain. My knees are in pain. Like I feel like I'm a grandma, but I'm in a 22-year-old body. So I don't know. I just don't think I should be in as much pain as I am for how young I am. So it just kind of scares me. Like if I want to be a hairstylist for like 10 more years, like I don't think my body can even last that long in the salon. And I've tried so many different shoes. I've tried going to the doctor, tried so many different things, but I think I'm honestly just cursed. Right now I am pretty happy where I'm at. I've saved like a ton of money my whole life, and I've been really smart with my money, so I honestly don't need to work full time, and my job pays so well that I really don't need to work more than like 20 hours a week, but obviously no money is enough money. So I just keep working and, you know, take as many clients as possible, but I really just want to focus on doing more YouTube, and that goes right along to like what's been going on with my life on YouTube and just really build on this. It's been like a dream of mine to just do YouTube for like my whole entire life. If you guys go back in my videos, it's really, really embarrassing, but whenever I was in high school, I filmed this prank call video, and it basically went viral. Everybody in the school like freaked out because it got, I think, like 2 million views or over 2 million views. And I didn't think anything of it because obviously I'm in high school. I don't think like, oh yeah, Frida, you can make tons of money off of this. I'm like, I need to go get a career and go get a job. Where I could have totally, like I had the exposure to do so good on YouTube, but I just didn't know what I was doing, which I think is okay. Like I'd much rather be on here, know what I'm doing, give you guys quality content than give you guys shit content and, you know. So I think I just owe it to myself to really try here on YouTube and see if it works out. And I mean, if it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out, but it has always been one of my dreams to be on YouTube and just teach people and influence people, just because like I am influenced so much by so many other creators and just like the beauty community in general, and I just love it so much, and I feel at like such peace knowing that people want to watch my videos. I don't know, it just makes me happy knowing that like people care about watching me and like watching what I do and enjoy what I do. Personally, I don't think I'm that much of an entertaining person, but you guys seem to think that I am. January in general has just been very, very stressful for me. I wanted to just kind of create as much content as possible, and I told myself like 2018 was going to be my year. I was really excited to create as much content. For those of you that don't follow me on Instagram or Snapchat or aren't friends with me on Facebook or just in real life, don't know about what's been going on. So January 8th, my brother passed away. I have 2 brothers, but the oldest one, who was 29, passed away. So I tried talking about this in like some previous videos that I've been filming. Most of the things that you guys have seen this year has been like pre-filmed footage, thank God, or else I probably wouldn't have uploaded anything. But this is the first time I've actually been able to like sit down and talk about it. Every time that I've tried to sit here and talk about it, I've just gotten way too emotional. And just in general, every time that I've sat down to try and film, I just have had so much anxiety and like I just feel so much pressure, and I haven't known what to say. And so it's been extremely, extremely hard just trying to get back into YouTube and back like just to like my regular life. You know, I've been taking care of my dad, making sure that he's okay. My other brother is only home once a year, and thank God he was here during that time, which he just left, you know, a couple days ago. So it's been hard readjusting to knowing that my brother, I won't see him for another year, and then my other brother is gone. And so it's just, and I'm not sitting here asking for sympathy. I'm not sitting here asking you guys to feel bad for me, because I don't want that. The only thing I'm really asking for is prayers at a time like this for me and my family. I really told myself that I would not get emotional, and I would just sit down and explain to you guys why I've been absent and just apologize, you know, why I didn't give an explanation sooner. But as many times, I've literally filmed 3 videos this whole entire month, and the rest have been pre-filmed ones. And every time I try and sit down and film, it doesn't work, and I don't know why, and it frustrates me, and I just want to get back to the way life was before. And like I said, I'm really sorry as to why I did not explain this earlier. If you guys follow me on social media, you did know that, you know, obviously weeks ago, but I know a couple of you are going to ask me, you know, what happened, how did it happen? But I don't feel comfortable talking to you guys about it, and it's just something very, very personal, and I don't think my family would appreciate us talking about it. So please don't ask questions. I'm just telling you guys why I've been absent, why my videos haven't been coming out. So if you guys could just respect my family and don't ask those questions, don't talk about it, just Sorry, I just had to get off camera and put my eyeliner on. I can't really do it when I'm on camera talking, so I just had to put that on real quick. I feel like I forgot what I was going to talk about next with you guys. Moving on to the next topic, I took Brutus to the vet the other day just because he's been limping a little and he is a Rottweiler, so I just want to make sure he's okay. And they basically told me that he might have the beginning stages of hip dysplasia, which really sucks. We wanted to get x-rays done, but we don't want to put him to sleep more than once in 1 year because he gets his dental cleaning done and they have to put him to sleep for that. So we're waiting until he gets his dental cleaning done to do the x-rays, but that's basically like her best guess is that he has the beginning stages. And so I already walk him, but I think I'm just gonna take him on like shorter walks and do them more often, like multiple times a day, rather than like stressing him out and stressing his body out and doing them like for a long period of time. And then we're getting him on Dosequin, which is just a really good like supplement. And then what else am I doing? I'm getting him to lose weight because he's like 10 pounds overweight, so that can definitely affect that. And then I'm also in the search for a really good bed for him just to make sure that it's really supportive. We're just going to basically do everything we can for him until it becomes severe. He's only about 4 years old, not even 4, so that's extremely young to be getting hip dysplasia on dogs. So I'm just really hoping we can do, you know, more to help his hips rather than like go in with surgery, because hip surgery on dogs, she said, is probably about $5,000 per hip. Let's just take a moment for that one. It'd be $10,000 to fix both his hips, which is like, obviously I would do whatever I can to help my dog. So if you guys have any experience with your dogs having like hip problems or hip dysplasia, anything like that, please comment them down below so Christian and I can have as much, you know, insight from you guys as possible, because we've never had this issue. I finished up my makeup, so I think I'm gonna try and do something with my hair with like braids or something. So I'm just doing 2 French braids. I think I'm gonna braid it all the way down and then just like loosen up the braid, and so just have like 2 braids and then the rest of my hair down. I don't know. Throwing another elastic, and I think I'm just gonna tie them both together back here. I hope that doesn't look stupid in the back, but regardless, I don't really care. I just want it out of my face. So I guess I'm all done and this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me. I know it was a little bit of like a depressing little like catch up, but I just wanted to let you guys know what was going on and apologize that I've been so absent. I really appreciate you guys sticking with me and just supporting my channel. Thank you so much for being here and watching today's video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.